So interestingly enough, just as an example that ChatGPT isn't always going to give you the most accurate information, I was actually able to get it to report something that is seemingly inconsistent with what we just saw on the homepage of ChatGPT, which is that under their methods section, OpenAI has written that they trained the model using reinforcement learning from human feedback, or RLHF. So I am trying to fact check that with ChatGPT itself and queried if he was trained or it was trained using RLHF. And it responded saying it's not familiar with that term. So then I clarify, and sure enough, it reports a no. So dangerous. Sometimes it can sort of lie to you, but it's never in its intention to lie to you. It's just because the data that it was trained on just did not agree with maybe something that was seemingly updated in the future. So this probably may have come after, or maybe wasn't included in its training data, which is a pretty big limitation. But for a lot of the use cases we're going to be exploring in this course, it's, again, not going to be that much of a hindrance.